Howdy, partner. Town Sheriff here, laying down the law on the 15-minute frontier of E-mini S&P 500 futures. In these parts, it's best to be ready for opportunity and keep your stops planted firm. Here's the rundown. Let's jump right into it. Key buy and sell levels or ranges. Value area high, VAH, 6,788. Like the saloon's swinging doors, tough to push through without real muscle. Value area low, VAL, 6778. The dusty main street where most hoofprints gather before high noon. Point of control, POC, 6785. The town well where traders met most often. Support zone, 6778 to 6782. Sturdy hitching post for responsive buyers. Resistance zone, 6,788 to 6,793. The sheriff's porch where sellers keep watch. Single prints, escape paths. Lower, 6774 to 6775. A narrow canyon that can accelerate moves if breached. Upper, 6,792 to 6,792. 6,794 to 6,798. Wind tunnels on the ridge that favor momentum riders. Market context. Last 3 sessions show a rangy frontier with quick draws and faster fades. October 5th ranged 6,767 to 6,786 with a close at 6,783, mild northward drift. October 6th ranged 6,767 to 6,798 with a close at 6,781, balanced with a slight pullback. October 7th so far ranged 6,774 to 6,798, with the current close near 6,797, an early push by the posse. Today is balanced to mildly bullish, within 6,778 to 6,788 value, with expansions testing the 6,792 to 6,798 ridge. Think midday standoff, buyers currently holding the higher ground. If the posse loses 6,778, the chase likely sprints towards 6,775 and the 6,774 canyon. Volume analysis. Cumulative. Volume delta. CVD. Breakdown. Session open. CVD. Negative 2,356. Bears rode in first. Intraday peak buying. CVD. 5,135, strongest buyer push. Intraday low, CVD, negative 5,762, deepest seller ambush. Current CVD, 5,135, a swing of 7,491 from open. Buyers currently in command. Interpretation, aggressive buy-side pressure dominates late morning, so acceptance above 6,788 requires continued fresh ammo. Otherwise, a fade back to 6,785 is likely. Risk management considerations. Long trades. Preferred entry, 6,778 to 6,782 on responsive dips, or acceptance above 6,788. Initial stop, below 6,774. Or 1 to ATR unit beneath entry, whichever is wider. Targets, 6,785 for first scale, 6,793, then 6,798 for runners. Short trades, preferred entry, rejection at 6,788 to 6,793, or failure back below 6,778. Initial stop, above 6,798, or 1 to ATR. Unit above entry, whichever is wider. Targets, 6,785 for first scale, then 6,778, stretch to 6,775 to 6,774, if momentum builds. Position sizing and discipline. Risk 1 to 2% per idea, normalized to stop distance. After first target, trail to last defended swing. No averaging down in open prairie. Potential scenarios and trade setups. Scenario A, break and ride above VAH. Trigger, sustained trade above 6,788 with CVD holding positive. Setup, enter long on acceptance. Stop 6782, targets 6793, then 6798. Scenario B, saloon door rejection. Trigger failure at 6788 to 6793 with weakening CVD. Setup, short the first lower high. Stop 6798, target 6785, then 6778. Scenario C, canyon run below VAL. Trigger, clean break below 6778 that cannot re-enter value. Setup, short continuation towards 6775 to 6774 single print path. Stop 6782. Scale at 6778, then 6775. Scenario D, watering hole. Bounce. Trigger, dip into 6,778 to 6,782 with buyers defending and CVD stabilizing. Setup, long towards 6785, then 6793, stop 6774. Smash the like and subscribe button. Click the bell to receive content notifications. Remember, the future belongs to the focused. Stay disciplined, stay curious, and as always, trade smart, trade strong, and never stop leveling up. I'll see you in the markets.